Okay, here we go.
Okay, this is a POV posted in Oddly Terrifying. Apparently, this creature is more feared in India than a tiger, which I kind of find hard to believe. I don't know if anybody's staying up really late right now in India. They can tell us if it's true or not. This is called the sloth bear, and apparently it's quite unpredictable. Now, this is a POV of what it would look like to be approached by such an animal. Somebody in the chat says it reminds them of Otis. I can see that. At this range, at least. Now, it's actually the movement of the animal that's a little bit terrifying, I guess, the way it...
Well,
but I was thinking if it's a sloth bear, I was like, how can you be so afraid of... It sounds slow.
Mm-hmm.
But then when it approaches, it doesn't look that slow.
Oh, Jesus.
It's almost like a video game glitch, sort of. Like it's like at the very end there, it keeps the left leg up and it's angry with the camera.
It looks like
does look unpredictable.
Someone wearing a costume. It looks fake.
Yeah, it's pretty weird. It's like a black bear, but
with a hunched back.
Yeah, and more bony structure, and maybe angrier.
The mouth is.
But I honestly don't know if I've ever seen a sloth bear before. This might be the first time. You want to see it in its natural habitat?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what? Oh my God! There it is, going up against a tiger. Fur coat saves sloth bear and severe fight with tiger. In rare and severe fight with tiger. Look at his face in that. Can you zoom in on that?
Yeah, what the heck?
Look at his face.
Looks like the Predator or something.
Holy. I think you got to go even closer for the people on the stream here. My God, couple fangs in there. And it looks to me like the tiger's backing up, but you know, the tiger's got the claws and everything going on.
Whoa.
But now you know, it's no joke. A sloth bear, scroll up, fought off an attacking tiger to protect its cub in a rare sight. That was a 7-year-old dominant male tiger. It had marked the body of water known as a Jamun Bodhi as its territory. It didn't stop the sloth bears, though. We're not certain if they ever got the drink.
Wow.
So that's the mother bear protecting the cubs and not worried about... Well, now the question goes to you guys. Which one are you going to choose to encounter?
A tiger or a sloth bear?
Which one? And be honest, because I'm still more nervous of the tiger. I just don't have enough footage. I realize I mean, yes, they look intimidating, but the tiger's got a lot of tools and more scale.
Yeah. Yeah, I would probably go with the tiger.
You would go with it? You would go see the tiger instead?
No, I would avoid the tiger.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
Vin? Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, I think same.
Yeah.
Unless there was a massive speed difference, but I don't think there is.
We're all in agreement here. And now we know one more thing to avoid.